Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DoorDash Dasher account for delivery profits, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your DoorDash Dasher account, first, visit the DoorDash website or download the Dasher app. Make sure to select the Become a Dasher option on the home page. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets security requirements. Review the DoorDash terms and conditions, then accept them to proceed. Next, provide your social security number and banking information for direct deposits. Upload a copy of your driver's license or state ID for verification purposes. If applicable, upload a vehicle insurance document to ensure compliance with DoorDash requirements. After submitting your information, wait for confirmation via email or through the app. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Once your account is approved, log into your Dasher account. Complete any necessary onboarding tutorials to familiarize yourself with the app's features. Set your availability by selecting the times you're willing to work. You can start accepting delivery requests immediately once your availability is set. To maximize profits, focus on high-demand areas during peak hours. Monitor your earnings weekly and adjust your schedule based on delivery trends. Utilize the DoorDash promotions and incentives to boost your income further. Stay active in the Dasher community for tips and support from fellow Dashers. Regularly check your app for updates and new features that can enhance your experience. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to earning delivery profits as a DoorDash Dasher. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.